Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is FX Adventure Voice, reaching you guys all the way from West Africa, Nigeria to be precise. Actually, the time on my clock is 2:30 sharp, and I decided to make this record for you guys because we have a PMI news coming up around 3 o'clock. So we have about 30 minutes to be around here, okay? And just wanted to also take out this opportunity to share some information with you guys based on my view and my analysis, okay? And talking about that, if you look at the top here, you see there is I added an alarm here. Okay, this alarm, I added this alarm earlier today. Actually, my game plan was I was looking to short Euro USD. I'm looking to short it, and I've pretty much been waiting for the market to enter the zone that I would want to short it from. But we pretty much had a very slow market today. I'm going to zoom out a bit. So all these green lines you see here, I drew those lines from the 1 hour time frame. For the guys that have been following my channels, they will understand why I'm actually making reference to 1 hour time frame, because that's my map. Okay, that's where I get my bias from. Then coming to the simple accumulation, manipulation, distribution, blah 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 sheep, have you any woe? See a simple example of it here. Okay, this is an internal structure here. You see this the first box here, the one that I'm labeling right now. We can call that our accumulation. Like I always say, they will try to break out of it. That's the manipulation. And you see how eventually the market decided to come down to take out the low of that accumulation. So assuming you jumped on this trade, you will be making a beautiful 10 pips, okay? But I did not jump on it because I had other plans. I'm looking to grab the bigger move, or rather I'm anticipating a bigger move. Okay, I am anticipating a bigger move. Okay, so we have a PMI news coming up. If you look at it here, this is it here. PMI news coming up right about in the next few minutes, maybe 30, 35, I don't know, depending on the time. But the PMI news will be coming up around around 3 my time. That's about, give or take, 25 minutes from now. If you look at the chart here, you see the sign here. You see the sign there. Let me use a vertical line to show you guys. See that blue line that I just dropped there? That's the time the news will be coming up. Okay, so like I said, I am anticipating to short the market if the market comes all the way to this place that I have my alarm set. And the reason why I know some people will be asking is because I am looking at the bigger quarter. Okay, remember what I tell you guys, price is fractal. Whatever you see on the bigger time frame, you will see it on the smaller time frame. So whatever you see on the bigger quarter, you will still see it on the smaller quarter. I gave you guys an example of the smaller quarter, or you can call it an internal structured quarter, which is this guy that I just told you guys about. This is an internal structure, okay? Internal accumulation, internal manipulation, internal distribution. I'm expecting a continuation here, okay? There should be a continuation of the short, okay? I'm expecting that to still play out. But most importantly, I want to move you guys' attention to the first quarter of the day, which is this guy here, the bigger quarter, okay? The first quarter of the day is this bigger guy. Market manipulated down. After manipulating down, what do we expect? We expect the market to go back to take out that high, okay? And if you look, you will see that the market is yet to take out that high, okay? And currently we are in the third quarter of the day. It is not a must, it has to be so, but for the setup to be complete, it has to meet all the requirements, okay? For the setup to be complete, all the requirements must be met, okay? So the first guy, we take this guy to be our accumulation, or rather the first quarter of the day, okay? The second quarter of the day has already given us a very nice manipulation down, okay? Assuming you traded this, immediately the market manipulated down, you enter for a long. This would have been a very nice move for you to grab. But the reason why I did not jump on this is because I am bearishly biased, okay? I am bearishly biased on EU, that is Euro USD. And for the guys that are wondering, why am I bearishly biased? Like I told you guys, it's not all about jumping on the charts. You really need to look at the bigger time frame to see what is going on the bigger time frame, because what happens on the bigger time frame trickles down to the smaller time frame, okay? We still have like about give or take 23 minutes to go, so we'll spend some more time here. So like I said, what I'm anticipating is once the market takes out the high of the first quarter of the day, which is where I have this my alarm, okay, or alert as the case may be. Once the market takes it, once they grab the liquidity there, and what I mean by taking it is if the market can trade up, if price can trade up into this area, I'll be looking to enter for a short anything above that line, anything around here, okay? Let me draw a line. I'll make this line red line so to differentiate that from other line. You see that red line? If the market trades up to it, I'll be anticipating to short the market if the market can get all the way into that area. Anything above that red line is a good entry point for me, and I already gave you guys the reason why, okay? Like I said, it's not a must that the market will reach there, okay? It's not a must, but it's always good to have a plan. It's always good to have a plan. My network is messing up. Let me switch. I think I need to switch my network. Let me switch to my mobile Wi-Fi or something. Okay, it's back. But it's still slow. All right, I switched to my mobile. Hopefully my mobile network will be better. Let's see. Come on, man. Come on, man. Network is really bad. Okay, I think we're good. We're good. In the meantime, I love this music. Let me turn it up a little bit while we wait. All right, let's come up with some level of speculation, okay? Speculation time, my guys. First of all, I need to map out this guy here. There is a gap here. There is a gap here. There is high chances that this market will come here, bounce to go up. I would love if the market should go all the way to that red line, because that's where I would want to, actually participate. That's where I would want to short the market. Anything around that area is a good shot for me. Then let's speculate. So what move do we think the market is going to do here? Well, based on my own speculation and considering how the market has been playing out throughout today, considering the price action, if you look at the price action throughout the day, you will see that we have a whole lot of wiggle. We don't have really a straight line, okay? Whenever you see all this wiggle, it's a bigger accumulation. A very big accumulation is going on. Maybe we might see the expansion today, or maybe we might see it tomorrow. I don't know. I'm not a wizard to be able to tell you guys that. But one thing I can tell you guys for sure is a big accumulation is going on. And why do I say so? It's very clear, because you can see the market is not going up, neither is it going down. Throughout the whole day, look at what the market has been doing. Let's get a pattern. All right, this is 5 o'clock my time. That is in the morning. Market came down, went up, 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 came down, up to the point here. I'm expecting them to go up anyway. Okay, so since we are speculating, let's speculate that they go up. Okay, then I'm going to bring this guy out. Do you see the pattern we just drew? Will you say this guy is not going anywhere? The market has been ranging since morning. This is the range the market has been doing since morning. Look at it. This is pure technical analysis for you. The market has been ranging, and like I always tell you guys, whenever the market is ranging, wait for that big move. It's preparing for a big move. And one thing I tell you guys in an accumulation is that after an accumulation, there is always a manipulation, okay? So, and like I always say, market is fractal. If you understand this, then you understand that if the market is ranging since morning, it means that they are preparing for, first of all, a manipulation has to occur, okay? It depends on what direction they want to manipulate first. But since I am bearishly biased, I would expect them to manipulate up first. Okay? Since I want to short the market, the best move for me is I want to see the market trade up first. Okay? I want them to, do like they want to go up. then I'll start shorting the market. Okay, and that brings us to the whole accumulation, manipulation, then we'll get a distribution going down. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do. And since we have news coming up, okay, you can see the market is still going up and down, up and down. Since we have news that is coming up, what I'm expecting the news will do is, because during news, there is a higher volume and higher momentum in the market, okay? What I'm expecting the market to do is, I expect the market to give us a big spike. We're already seeing some very big spike coming in here. You see that move that is going on right there, okay? So first of all, like I said, I expect the market to give us a big spike up, okay? Then I expect them to immediately reverse the move and go down. That is my speculation. That is my plan on how I would want to attack this market, okay? But with that said, nothing is casted on concrete, nothing is certain. The market can decide to do otherwise. So what I would recommend for you is that in as much as you have your plan, you should also have a risk plan also. You can call it a risk management plan, okay? And I will come to that in a minute. I pity anybody that really wants to learn forex and you are not picking any points from the premium information I'm dropping here. Trust me, I learned the hard way and I'm giving it to you guys free. And I know some people will still not want to learn. It depends. It's a free world. Not everybody is going to be a trader, you know. I just have passion for this, so that's why I'm doing it. I'm actually an engineer. I'm a software engineer. I read chemical engineering in school. I finished and I'm a software engineer, senior software engineer for that. You know, built so many apps, so many websites, still building more apps, more websites. But trading is something that I love doing. I can sit down here and I'll keep on looking at chart for weeks, days without getting tired. I find it amazing. It's fun, and it's also addictive, you know, for the guys that really have tried trading. But it's not fun because it's not fun when you lose money. And trust me, in trading you lose a whole lot of money, okay? It's not fun when you lose money, but if you know what you're doing, it's going to be fun because you will make a whole lot of money also, okay? So yeah, I think we've basically touched down on the reason why we are here, and we've actually touched down on our expectation and the speculation, okay? Like I said, if the market can come above this red line, I will open a trade, okay? Let me prepare my trading environment just in case if the market enters our trading zone. Let me write it out. Our trading zone. So that's where we have our trading zone. I don't know if we're going to reach there, and trust me, even if the market doesn't reach there, no need to force it, you know. There's no need to force it. We'll let it be. Tomorrow is another day. If we don't see any trade tomorrow, next week is another day. If we don't see anything next week, the upper week is another day. So another key, try not to force trades, okay? Don't FOMO into the market. Don't, feel like, oh, I'm going to miss out on this trade. Even if you end up missing out on a trade, it is what it is. It's not like forex is closing today. I don't think they are going to close trading anytime soon. Okay, and you can't even close trading because people will always buy and people will always sell. Okay, so there is always another day to trade. Okay, so patience is the key. Try to, if you want to be a good trader, you should know how to be patient. Okay, you should know how to really take your time. Be lazy in making your decisions in trading. You don't have to be very what's the word? There's a better word for that. I don't want to use fast, although fast is the word, but there should be a more precise word for what I'm trying to say. But just don't be fast in making decisions. Take your time. All right, take your time. All right, so we have based on the current price action, we have 9 minutes remaining for the news. So we are going to experience some PMI news playing out here. Actually, it's a red folder news. We have news coming in. Okay, I think this news has already played out, but it's an orange folder news, so that's why we did not notice much spike. But we have this PMI news coming in around 3 on USD. So let's see how it's going to play out. And while we are waiting, based on my own experience, okay, my own opinion, news normally play out in, I'll say, 2 ways. Okay, one thing is constant. During high impact news, the market moves very fast with very big volume, big momentum, coming into the market. It moves really fast. But the direction of the news can occur in 2 clear patterns. Okay, the first pattern is the market is just going to move. Let's say the market is here. I'm giving an example. Let's say the market is somewhere here. The market will just move, boom, something like that. Then other times, the market might do something like this. Instead of just moving that direction, it will first of all take liquidity up, then change direction immediately and start going down. And all these things I'm telling you is in a matter of seconds. Okay, I believe we'll experience this PMI news. Okay, let's see how the news is going to play out. Where the market is now, I wouldn't want to partake in it. And like I said, I will want them to come into our trading zone. This is the only place where I would want to, partake in the market. This is the only place I would want to trade. Anything outside there, I am not going to execute. And that doesn't mean that we don't know the direction the market is going, because remember, like I told you guys, I have a bias, and my bias is to short the market. The internal structure that we saw that is playing out here, remember, accumulation. The next quarter is what? Manipulation. After manipulation, the next thing is what? Continuation. So The first quarter has already accumulated, the second quarter manipulated. So this third quarter now, we expect a continuation down also. Okay? And I think the continuation is already playing out. For the guys that are paying attention, you see how the market traded up here. After trading up here, you see how the market gradually started going back down again. Assuming this was my trading area, maybe I would have jumped on this, grabbed this move. I'll be looking to take profits in this. You see this rectangular line I drew here? I drew out this rectangular line before the market started, coming down. Most likely that's where the market would find resistance in. I don't know. But the reason why I drew it out is they call it fair value gaps, okay? It's an FVG. We have an FVG there, okay? So there is higher chances that the market will want to test it. Maybe they might want to kiss it, or maybe come close to it, or they might even want to break it, depending on whatever price wants to do. I don't know. I'm not a wizard to tell you guys. I'm only telling you guys what I know on TA level, okay? On the TA level, technical analysis, period. It's not casted on concrete. It's not like I have some juju or something or voodoo somewhere that is telling me what to do. Nah, bro. All these things is just understanding the charts, having your bias, having a plan, and sticking to your plan, okay? So I myself, I have a plan, and I'm going to stick with my plan. And in a situation whereby the price action doesn't give me my plan or doesn't play along with my plan, I don't have to force it. I'll just relax and let it be. Tomorrow, I will try again. It's as simple as that. I love this music. I don't know why.
What am I waiting for? Is he planted beneath my compass, my transport? Locked in a stalemate with the man was no hope. Rock in a hard place, it's better in control.
Where am I went before? Okay, we have less than 2 minutes before the news. Okay, less than 2 minutes before the news, guys. Okay, so let's assume everything is based on assumption. Okay, assuming I traded the internal structure, the first move here would have given us 10 pips. Assuming we traded the continuation, the second move here would have given us let's say we want to use this fair value gap. You see this fair value gap there? Let's say that's where we want to take our TP at, okay? Because most likely that's the place I would most likely want to take my TP at. That will be giving us about 8 pips. So 10 plus 8 is about 18 pips. So 18 pips is a very good a good move for the day. If you risk say $100 on this, you'll be getting 10. If you reach $10 on this, I think you'll be getting, depending on the volume, what do you call it, your volume size. Okay, if you use a higher volume size, let me go to my position size calculator and top talking nonsense here. So let's say stop loss is 10 pips. We are risking, bruh, man, what am I doing? ChatGPT. Ooh, that's the news, guys. That's the news. The news have started. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Do you see what happened? Okay, you see the news. The news just pretty much is just going down. Very simple, guys. Very simple. We missed out the see it, guys. Very simple, bro. Very simple, bro. Very simple, bro. The only reason why I did not partake in this market is what? Like I said, the market was not in my trading zone. But remember, I pointed out something, guys. Very simple. Very simple. I always say it. It's a very simple rule. Very simple rule that gives you good trades. And you don't sweat. No sweat. No sweat, bro. No sweat, my people. I don't know why I'm saying bro, like say I did Yankee. No sweat, my people, oh, you know. Like I said, this is a very simple internal structure playing out here. Completely played out. Completely played out. And I'll go over it again. And after I go over it, then we can call it a day. Very simple. Very simple, guys. Alright? Remember, this is the accumulation, okay? Do you see the manipulation here? That's the manipulation. Do you see the continuation? That's the continuation. Sorry. Accumulation, manipulation. This is the continuation, guys. It does very simple. Simple rule. You make your money, you go home. And I gave my reason. The only reason why I did not participate in this market is that I was anticipating my own accumulation and manipulation on the bigger time frame. Okay? I was expecting mine on the bigger time frame, but pride decided to go with the internal structure. And you see the market is still going down. And the reason why I also wanted to make this video is I wanted to also make sure that I myself know what I'm saying, and also to prove to you guys that I know what I'm saying. Because before the news came out, the market was somewhere here, okay? And I was saying we will go down, 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 you know? And yeah, that's it. We are going down, guys. All right, I just have to call it a day. I think my main aim of this video is already actualized. And yeah, hope you guys do have a wonderful day. If you love what you see on the video, and say you yourself, you don't want to learn how to trade, but you know somebody wants to learn how to trade, I think this is the right content for them. Share, like the video, do whatever you want to do with it. If you're watching this on my YouTube, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, because I'm building up a community actually. And once my community is huge enough, we'll be doing live streaming. That's one thing. I've been doing live streaming, but I don't do that all the time. And the reason why is because most of the time I'm the only guy in the live streaming, because I don't have enough community, okay? But I believe when we have, a bigger community, people will engage. All right? And I have a lot of information that I want to share with you guys and stuff like that. I feel a little bit bad that I did not trade the internal structure. Trust me, because like I said, a big move is coming. I don't know what direction, but at least, assuming we grab this move, this is about 20 something pips, bro. 20 something pips. All right, guys, like I said, I'll call it a day. I'll see you guys in the next video that I will make. Hope you guys do have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now. Let me go back to my music. I love it. I love this music.